Bradley. I didn't fall in love with you. I walked in with my eyes wide open, choosing to take every step along the way. I promise to give you the best of myself, share with you my time and my attention. Because of you, I laugh, I smile, and I dare to dream more than I ever have. Thank you for the miracle you are, and you will always be the love of my life, my soulmate, my person. You are my great love story, and our story is just getting started. Declan, I didn't give you the gift of life, but in my heart I know the love I feel is deep and real. For us to have each other is like a dream come true. Today I tell your dad I do, and I promise you forever too.
After everything that's happened, for so long I wondered if I would ever find my queen, my soulmate. Then 4 years ago, I turned to a friend for comfort, and instead I found everything that I'd been looking for my whole life. And now here we are with our future before us, and I only want to spend it with you. My princess, my soulmate, my friend. Kelli, I thought this was going to be the most difficult thing I ever had to do. But when I saw you walking down that aisle, I realized just how simple it was. I love you. Any surprises that come our way, it's okay, because I will always love you. You are the person that I was meant to spend the rest of my life with, and I can't wait to do just that.
Bradley and Kelli Johnson!
Kelli is obsessed with Friends. She absolutely loves Friends more than Batman, than sometimes I think me. Not really. Kidding. Joking. But she watches it religiously. It pretty much defined her childhood, and it's something that she has shared with me, and one of the few occasions that makes her feel safe, like I do. So, with that in mind, and her loving it so much, I figured that Chandler and Monica's vows would probably be just about perfect, and they are. I had to change prince to princess twice. Otherwise it just fits. And, well, Monica to Kelly, but she'll understand. So, and they're actually quite quaint, and I like them very much, and I read them once and almost cried, so hopefully I can get through this for you, but